Welcome to Nile University, Egypt's first national, non-profit research university. Here, education goes beyond books and lectures. It's about fostering innovation, creating opportunities, and making real-world impacts. With a diverse range of academic programs in engineering, business, information technology, biotechnology, and more, where future leaders begin their journeys. But your experience extends far beyond the classroom. Nile University opens the door to one of the world's most captivating civilizations. Explore the timeless beauty of the Pyramids of Giza and the Great Sphinx. Marvel at the treasures of the Grand Egyptian Museum and dive into the heritage of Islamic Cairo. Feel the energy of Cairo's vibrant markets. Living in Egypt is a cultural adventure that enriches your academic experience. Inside our campus, you'll find a modern, welcoming environment designed for discovery and growth. From smart classrooms and high-tech research labs to a well-equipped library and collaborative learning spaces, NU is designed to support your academic journey. Unwind in our lush gardens, join a game on our sports courts, or relax with friends. This is a space where creativity meets comfort and ideas come to life. Nile University gave me the confidence to grow both academically and personally. Join us at Nile University, where your future begins now.